Good morning, my friends. Today, we would like to discuss hacking and the types of hacking, internet hoax, etc. Yesterday, in our previous classes, I have given an assignment regarding malware and phishing. Some of the students are submitted through Google Classroom, some of them are not submitted yet. I think all of you have facing some problems related to the electricity and range problem due to heavy rain and climate change. So I here inform you that I will extend the submission date to the 2 more days. So I think all of you, I hope that all of you will submit it within time. This submission is considered as a base for giving attendance for your university attendance. So all of you please be vigilant for giving for submitting this assignment within the time. Okay, so let us start today's class with internet hoax. It's very simple thing. Internet hoax means so very familiar. It's a stories that are spread throughout the internet, often through email, forum, or blogs, or WhatsApp, or social medias. Some stories are spread. This is a phenomena. This is the reality. This is a fact. Stories are forwarded. So, in fact, this hoax is usually an email that receives with much care and consideration, and urging to pass the same to many people as possible to make them aware. So from this it is very clear. Message is very serious, and we all people are very vigilant to pass these messages to other people only because of making them aware about this information. So it may be a warming message or alarming message or something like that. It's a urgent message like that. So what will happen? But the message is bogus, and passing it on will give nothing but create unnecessary junk emails. Clear? This is the net result. We are spending much time in order to forward these messages, but what is the reality? What is the result? It will create a lot of junk emails. The only purpose of hoax is to waste time and make us participate in generating internet traffic. Clear? So my humble request: don't download or do not download or forward any document or any message or any messages or any links, whatever may be, unless the source has been checked. Clear? So all of you please be vigilant. Be vigilant. So that's all about internet hoax. Then another one, that is hacking. We all are familiar with hacking. Some news are coming. Websites are hacked. University websites are hacked, and like that, many messages are coming day by day. So hacking is an unauthorized instruction to a computer or a network. That is the process of hacking. It's a simple mechanism. A hacker is a person who gains unauthorized access to a computer or a network for making profit or for some criminal mischief or some personal pleasure. Some persons are there. They are spending much time in order to, they are sadists. We can say they are sadists. Their main hobby is to disrupt this kind of network or systems, and they are very happy after that. Many hackers break into system just for a challenge or for personal pleasure. This kind of hackers, we call it as white hat hackers. White hat hackers. Clear? So then unauthorized use of system or a network, that's called hacking. Okay. The next one. What are the types of hacking? Different types of hacking we know. Many messages we have come across. Website hacking is there, network hacking is there, email hacking is there, ethical hacking is there, password hacking is there, many. Let us see one by one. First one, website hacking. It's a simple thing. Hacking a website means taking unauthorized control over the website, and it is associated software such as database and other interfaces. So this is PSM college websites is another unauthorized use of websites. Let us imagine. Clear? then university websites. So they can create a lot of problems, results, notifications, etc., etc. The next, network hacking. It's a very simple thing. Hacking a network means gathering information about a network by using tools like telnet, ping, tracers, netstart, etc., with the intent to harm the network system and hamper its operation. That is the net result. Hamper its operation. Clear. That is network hacking. We are all heard some news. Network hacked by someone. Terrorist attack like that. Okay. The next, email hacking. It's a usual practice. Getting unauthorized access on email account and using it without taking the consent of the real author of the email. Okay. We are all familiar with this. Network hacking and email hacking. The next, ethical hacking. Ethical hacking means this is a kind of hacking that involves finding weakness in a computer or a network system for testing purpose and finally getting them fixed. So in order to know the habit of the person or the system or the network or like that. Suppose we are using a computer for downloading some moral speech or motivational speech like that. So they know our intention. They know these kind of hackers know our intention or habit, something like that. Okay, that is ethical hacking. Many abuse messages or calls are coming only based on this browsing, surfing, like that. Okay. The next, password hacking. Password hacking is the process of recovering secret passwords. We know this is the era of passwords. We are all many passwords for mobile itself password, and WhatsApp itself password, Facebook password, and many password we have. So this is the process of recovering secret password from data and has been stored in or transmitted by computer system. So what will happen? Clear. Anyone can access our computer or WhatsApp or Facebook or mobile even. Clear. Even I heard a news a couple of days before. Someone having a mobile number can access the camera of that mobile. Clear. That's a technological advancement. So be vigilant. Though what we have to do against this hacking, remedies against hacking. What are all the precautions that we can do? First one, that is checking system security. That is the foremost thing that can be done to defend these kind of attack from the hackers. And we know the details of this security system. Okay. So what we have to do here, the security of the system can be checked with mock security breaking softwares. Such software will be developed by certain professionals in this field known as ethical hackers. Okay, so it can be done. The next one, use of firewalls. There is a precaution that is used to protect the information from hacking is the use of firewall that prevent unauthorized users from accessing private network. It's a generally placed between internal local area network and wide area network and external networks such as internet. That acts like a gatekeeper that examine each user's identification before allowing them to the organization or network. Clear. That's using firewalls. The next, data encryption. We know encryption, coding and decoding like that. Encryption means many organizations depends on the encryption techniques to protect their valuable information. We are converted into a coded languages. That is encryption. This is the process of coding and scrambling of messages to prevent unauthorized access or to understanding the data being transmitted. So these are all the ways which we can exercise in order to protect or in order to safeguard from the hacking or hackers. Okay. The next important thing, that is Trojan horses. Is just as hacking or spam or like that malware. Trojan means Trojan is a word which is derived from the Latin or Greek mythology. We don't have this. Trojan means it's a program that appears harmless. It's a program that appears harmless, but in fact, what is the reality? It's a malicious program. It's very harmful. The most common form of installing a Trojan horse is through email. So this program may seems to be useful, but in fact does something harmful to the computer system. Without the knowledge lies like a game or screensaver, like that. Okay. So what is the net result? Some of the messages while we are searching or looking our email account, we may receive some mails without the proper address. So we may click these messages or download something. What will happen? Automatically install some application softwares. So simply it's very simple or harmless. So in fact, it will operate or it will function or it will run in our system, and it hamper our entire system or database. The action may be deleting data, blocking data, modifying data, copying data, and disrupting the performance of the computer or network. So it's very, very harmful. It's called Trojan Horses. Clear? That's all about today's discussion. Clear? Thank you to all.